When I was little, I used to always think, what if I could do that?
We try to expose them to different things to see that there's so much more out there than what they are presented with every day.
I was looking forward to learning about robotics, 3D printing.
I learned about like 360 cameras, VR and AR technologies.
And you get to code a lot more than you do in regular school.
The program has helped me come out of my shell.
We help each other and we tell each other that we can do this.
We weren't just working with the technology, we're also learning about what issues can this tech solve.
They're building things that they never thought they could do.
Mentoring in this program led me to become a teacher. Watching that light bulb come on in their mind, I can't even describe how rewarding it was.
Very nice.
You develop one person, another person builds the next person, and so on. It just makes the world a better place to live.
What I want to do is become a NASA engineer.
I want to help cure cancer.
I'm going to be a doctor.